This 2015 Forest River Flagstaff V-Lite 30 WFKSS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 34 feet 7 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 6, LP detector, TV, stove top burner, oven, skylight, Colorado detector, air conditioning, slideout, awning, external shower, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Forest River Flagstaff V-Lite 30 WFKSS is 7,038 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.